Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ara. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the beautiful large passion twist, spring twist, whatever you want to call it.
Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad, we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid
on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box if you guys want to check them out, but I would highly recommend you guys check this hair out because let me tell you, I am a braider. I have braided with probably 5 different types of passion twist hair, spring twist hair, bomb twist hair, and this has to be the best one. Like, it's tangle free, it's easy to stretch and pull apart, as you guys will see me doing in the video. It's easy to pull it apart, it's easy to braid with, and my fingers were not hurting. You know, sometimes with these curly hair, sometimes your fingers tend to hurt and stuff like that, but this hair, my fingers was not hurting, honey. And so they sent me 12 inches of their 1B27 spring twist hair, so I ended up using all 6 packs to do this look. So if you want to see how I did that, please keep on watching. But yeah guys, so they sent me 6 packs of their spring twist hair. This is 12 inches, and this is what the hair looks like. It's super duper springy and it's fun. It was really fun to braid with. I went ahead and used 2 strands of the curly hair, and I'm just gonna do a little section in the back just to show you guys what's going on, and later in the video I will do a full detailed tutorial on how I achieve this look. So the first thing you need to do with this hair is stretch it out before you braid with it. You want to make sure the hair is really stretched out all the way to the roots, and this is what it should look like. So excuse the back of my hair, you know, it's a little, you know, we have some 4C action going on back here, so just ignore the little curlies or whatever. And
chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes no sense.
I will insert a more detailed clip of what exactly I'm doing right here. But so for the back section, well, for my head, I went ahead and sectioned my hair from ear to ear and parted off the top half. I'm gonna work on that half later. So right now I'm working on the bottom half, and in this section for the bottom, I'm gonna part my hair horizontally from ear to ear, and I'm gonna do 7 sections.
Maybe spend your life with me, check me if I'm trifling. Let me be your bestie.
Excuse my non-makeup look. I had just got off a video chat interview, so I had to do my eyebrows real quick. If you know me, you know I don't go anywhere without doing my eyebrows. So that's why my face is, that's why my eyebrows are done and nothing else. My face is done. So don't come for me in the comments, but yeah, that's why I look like that.
Baby girl, be mine. She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl, be mine. Baby girl, be mine.
Starting with the front, I went ahead and parted my top half of my head into 2 sections, just making a line down the middle, and I went ahead and put this out in the ponytail. For this hairstyle, I used my styling gem, of course, some rubber bands I got from my local beauty supply, a pair of scissors, a rat tail comb, and of course the hair. Let's get into it. Since I want a large parting, I went ahead and parted this half into, I think I did 4 lines down this half of my hair, and in this section I parted it into 2, but you can really do 1 part if you want your parting to be really big, but I wanted mine to be large, but not like XL large.
Baby girl, be mine. Baby girl, be mine.
So guys, I went ahead and did this other side off camera. So but I will insert another clip on how I do the spring twist. Just stay tuned. In the video I will insert another clip, but I am feeling myself. I am loving the look. It is turning out so cute, and you cannot even tell I use rubber bands, guys. Like, you can literally not tell that I have rubber bands. So this technique is really good for people that don't know how to grip well and still want a clean look. I know how to grip well, but I still like doing this. This is my first time using rubber bands to do my hair. I have never ever used rubber bands to do my hair, so this was the first time for me, but I absolutely love it. The only thing I didn't love about it was the process was kind of tedious because I had to part my hair and put rubber bands and stuff like that. So what you see me here doing is the same exact thing that I did on the other side. I'm just doing it on this side, right? So I parted my hair into 4 large sections, so I have 4 lines right here. So in this section, I'm gonna start off by putting gel, of course, and then I'm gonna divide this section in 2. So once I'm done dividing the section in 2, I'm gonna section off this one using a duck clip. And then I'm just going to comb my hair through, just kind of make sure that my hair is detangled, and I'm going to use my rubber band to section off this piece right here. And I put my rubber bands in some oil because so it doesn't snag my hair, because this is a protective hairstyle, so you're trying to save your hair, right? So yeah, so this is basically how I did the rubber bands. But if I didn't have to use rubber bands, I would have started braiding and then moved on to the next piece, you know. But because I use rubber bands, I had to put rubber bands on each section, comb it and stuff like that, and then started braiding. But this technique is really good for people that don't know how to grip. So if you're a beginner, I would suggest you trying out this method first and then learning your grip slowly as you grow and improve your skills.
You know you the baddest in the game.
So I'm just going to fast forward through this whole process. Basically just cut my hair in boxes and put a rubber band on it. This hairstyle took me 2 hours to complete. It looks really fast on video, but it was also really fast in real life too. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I was really feeling myself. Like, I was loving the outcome. Like, yes, honey. And this is probably like 1 hour and 30 minutes into the hairstyle. So it really did not take me that long. Yes. Okay, so you want to start off with 2 pieces of your spring twist hair. Then you want to pull it off really gently but firmly. Pull the hair to stretch it, kind of fluff out the twist before you start twisting. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm making sure that my pieces are well fluffed out before I start braiding. So I'm gonna take the hair, I'm gonna hold one side of the hair, the fake hair, with my real hair in one hand. I'm gonna use the other hand, and I'm gonna use the fake hair to hide the rubber band. I'm gonna kind of roll it over maybe 3 to 4 times, and then I'm gonna braid a 3-strand braid using 1 strand as my real hair, 2 strands as the spring twist hair. Then when I get to the middle, when I want to start twisting, I make sure I apply my gel, and then I start twisting really loosely to get the spring twist look. You don't want to make the twist really tight because you want the hair to be fluffy and to be bouncy, and if you twist too tight, it's gonna make it stiff. So if your hair starts sticking out, just get some gel and put it in there. And as you twist, the hair does get longer, so in order for me to kind of continue twisting by myself, I had to kind of hold the hair in my mouth, so I look ratchet, but that's fine. So this is what it kind of looks like, and when you get done, you just snap off the ends, use some scissors. I'm gonna show you guys how I do another piece, and this piece I'm gonna slow-mo it so you guys can see. And for my visual learners, I'm gonna stop talking so y'all can just watch what I'm doing.
lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint a picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl, you been so patient. We started off in the basement, now we up out of space again. #1 is the place we in. It's a meal at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now, so let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay.
Please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and share this video. And most importantly, drop a comment down below so I can know that you made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.
Whatever you like, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine. You just need your vacation.